Today, we're answering a short accounting question. The two basic sources of stockholders' equity are blank. We'll look at each multiple choice option and explain why option C is the correct answer. Here is the question and the choices. We'll go through each choice one by one. Option A reads common stock and bonds. Bonds are actually a form of borrowing for the company. They are liabilities, not equity. So option A is incorrect. Option B lists two types of stock, common and preferred. Both are equity accounts. But this choice is incomplete because it doesn't mention the earnings that the company has retained. So option B is not the best answer. Option D mentions no par and stated value stock. These are legal characteristics of stock issuance, not the fundamental sources of equity. So option D is not the correct choice. Now, let's explain paid-in capital. Paid-in capital, also called contributed capital, is the amount investors directly give the company when they buy stock. It is actual cash or assets contributed by shareholders. Next, retained earnings. Retained earnings are the cumulative profits the company has kept over time instead of paying them out as dividends. They show how much the company has reinvested from its earnings. Together, paid-in capital plus retained earnings make up stockholders' equity. Therefore, option C is correct, paid-in capital and retained earnings. Let's mark option C as the correct answer. Recap. The two basic sources of stockholders' equity are paid-in capital, the money shareholders invest, and retained earnings, the profits kept in the company. So the correct choice is C. Thanks for watching.